Hi guys, in today's video we'll do some stretches, yogic stretches for the legs. So this can be done after you have done a leg workout or if you just want to stretch your legs. So wear something comfortable and hop onto the mat. Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So let's begin today's practice. Gently raise your hands up, stretch yourself up, and as you exhale, pushing your hips back, just bend forward and stretch forward. Stay there. Breathing in, come up again. Breathing out, come forward, and see if you can place your hands on the floor and gently lift your toes up and down, left toe up and down, right up and down, up and down. Come on your heel, right heel, down, down, right toe up, down, left toe up and down. Continue, feel the stretch on your calf muscles and relax. Slowly inhale, come up and relax. Gently bend your right leg from your knee. If it is required, you can take a wall support, just press it towards your chest. Relax. The other leg, interlace your fingers, press the left knee towards your chest and relax. Now lift up your right leg and press the heel towards the hip. Press it a little more and relax. Bend the left leg from the knee and press it towards the left hip. Press and relax. Now slowly we will spread our legs comfortably apart. Turn your left leg 90 degrees and the right foot inwards. Bend your left knee and then come down. Keep the palms on the floor. Right knee is on the floor. Just stay there. Stay there. Stretch the leg out. Stretch the right leg out. And then slowly come up. See if possible, just bend your knee, right knee, and then catch the right foot. Press it close to your hip, get it close to your hip. And relax, come back. Take your left leg back, come into plank and get your right leg forward in between your two hands. The left knee is on the floor. Bend your left leg and catch the left foot with your left hand. Just get it towards the hip, left hip. Keep stretching. You can move it front and back. And relax. Relax. Now slowly take the right leg back. And then again get the left foot forward. The right knee is on the floor, stretch it out and then now straighten the left leg as much as you can and then lift the left toe off the floor. Try to get your forehead to the knee and then now place the toe on the floor, left toe on the floor and lift it up. On the floor, lift it up. On the floor and lift it up and come back. Take the left leg back and get the right leg forward. Now slowly straighten the right knee. Get the forehead towards the knee. Then lift the toe off the floor and then on the floor. Toe off the floor and then place the fingers on. Up and down. Up and down and come back. Relax. Just take your leg back and slowly sit Sit on your heels. You can come a little bit forward. Now slowly place the hips in between your 2 feet. You can place the feet a little apart and place the hips in between the 2 feet. Okay. Now slowly bend back and place the elbows on the floor. You do as much as it is comfortable for you to do. And then slowly moving the hands forward, just lie down and stay there. Feel the stretch on the legs. Keep breathing.
In case you're not able to place the hips in between the 2 feet, then you can also place the hips on your feet.
Now slowly pressing the palms onto the floor, breathing in, come up, breathing out, relax, come onto your knees. Now slowly come back into the sitting position, bring your right leg forward, take your hands up, stretch up a little more and bend forward and catch the foot. See if you can touch your forehead to the knee. Feel the stretch on the leg. Breathing in, come up, breathing out, relax. Now gently move the leg towards the right side as much as you can. Breathing in, come up, breathing out, twist towards the right side and bend towards the knee. Breathe in, come up, breathing out, relax, relax your leg. Now the left foot comes out in front. Breathing in, come up, breathing out, come forward as much as you can, stretch forward and bring the forehead close to the knee. Stomach close to the thigh. Breathing in, come up, breathing out, relax. Now move the left foot towards the left side as much as it's comfortable for you. Breathing in, stretch your hand out. Breathing out, catch your leg as much as you can. Breathe in, come up, breathe out, relax. Now just straighten your right leg. Place the legs at a distance which is comfortable for you. Breathing in, stretch up. Breathing out, bend forward and stretch your hands forward as much as possible. Stay there, keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax and gently lie down on your back. Bend your right leg from your knee and place the left foot on the right knee. Now interlace your hands behind the thigh and pull your right knee close to your chest and stay there. Keep breathing. Pull it more and relax. Relax your legs. Bend your left leg from your knee. Place the right foot on the left knee. Interlace your hand behind the left thigh. Get your left knee close to your chest. Feel the stretch on the thighs. And relax. Relax your hands. Relax your legs. Now gently roll onto your right side and lie down on your stomach. Chin on the floor. You can lift your legs up and just kick your hips. And then with the help of the hands, just press the feet towards the hips. And relax. Place the palms on the mat. beside your chest. Breathing in, gently raise up. Lift up your chest until your stomach, and then come into the downward dog. Lift up your knees, place the foot on the floor. Stay there. Look towards your navel region. And now gently raise the right leg and place the right knee near your right hand. Stay there. Keep stretching your left foot out. Look up. Keep breathing. And now slowly, if possible, just slide your hands forward and come down. Breathing in, slowly come up. And then lift up and then straighten the leg. Place it in between your hands. Now slowly heel toe and get the right foot close to the outer edge of the right side of the mat. Stay there. See if you can go down. Place the elbows on the floor. Whatever is comfortable. Do as much as you can. You can drop the right knee towards the floor. Stay there. Feel the stretch. And come back. Just heel toe back. And come back. Release. Take your leg back. Now slowly get the left foot. Place the left knee beside the left hand. Right leg is on the mat. Breathe in, look back. Breathe out. See if you can bend forward. Straighten your arms. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Breathing in, slowly come up. Gently release the leg. Just place the toe and walk it forward in between your hands. Stay there. Now just heel toe and walk it outwards towards the left side of the mat. Hands are inside and then drop the left knee towards the floor on the left side. Stay there. Keep breathing. And come back. Relax. Take your foot back. Slowly sit on your knees. Relax your hands and come up. Sit up tall. And then come back into the sitting position. Get your feet, soles of the feet together. Join your palms, interlace and join. Catch the feet. Straighten yourself, straighten your spine. And then gently flap your thighs. Now breathing in, go back. Breathing out, bend forward a little. Press the thighs, press the knees onto the floor. Stretch forward. Stay there, keep breathing. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax. Relax your hands. Slowly take your hands up. Join your palms and bring them in front of your heart. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Another breath in. Exhale, close your eyes. Relax your spine. Relax your legs. Relax your body. One more joyful breath in. Exhale. And slowly, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. If you like our video, do share, like and subscribe. See you soon. Namaste.